Hola estudiantes, mi nombre es Profesor García Reyes and along with Profesora Granable, we'll be teaching this Spanish 123 Section 54 course. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through your Spanish Blackboard site. First up, start here. You will find very useful information about the course handbook, how do we teach, the basics on how to use Blackboard. Many of you, I know, are familiar with this. The survival kit, this will be very, very useful for the chat sessions. Remember that we try to keep the target language at all times. Next folder is support and references. If you have any technology issues, IT issues, please contact them. And then getting started with the iLearn tutorial. The next tab is the syllabus. On the syllabus, on the very last page, you'll find the assignment calendar. Another piece of information that you can find on the syllabus that is really important is the grading breakdown. Basically, three main components: actividades diarias, which is the iLearn activities, actividades interactivas, these are the voice threads. These are asynchronous sessions where I ask you guys questions and you need to record yourself answering these questions. And then the charlas. The charlas, there will be two of them. The first one will be on week 5. The second one will be on week 9. There's a total of 6 voice threads, and then the activities, the exercises on iLearn. So three things: voice threads, charlas, and iLearn activities. If you need to email any of your professors, or if you want to find an email address of one of your classmates, you can do so by clicking on this tab, Email Your Profe. Next one down is the tarea or assignments. If you click on it, you'll see different folders. These folders, they contain information about what's to be turned in for that particular week. So let's click on Semana 2. And you have the different tasks due for that week. Task 1, Task 2, first voice thread, Task 3, iLearn activities, and Task 4, sign up for Charla 1. You need to choose what time you want to take the charla or the chat session. It usually takes around 45 minutes and then 15 minutes for feedback. There are 3 sessions offered, 2 on the 30th, June 30th, and the first one is on June 28th. Please let me know if you can't attend to any of these 3 sessions, and we will make it work. The next step down is announcements. Right now there are no announcements, but expect at least 1 announcement per week, which is kind of an overview of what we're going to be learning for that particular week, or if there are any concerns about the course, and I'll use these announcements. Also, there may be some grammar tutorials or telegamis that you'll see what that is. Next tab is my grades. The next one is help from Blackboard if you have any issues. And the last one is where you will click if you need, when you go to the first charla. Basically, this is a chat room. You may want to make sure that you click on the practice session and familiarize yourself with the different areas that you can find on the chat. This is it for now. Thank you very much, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I look forward to this short semester with you guys. Hasta pronto.